test. All right. Okay. Welcome to Pivot Action Forex Signals, aka PAFXSS.com. Okay. Today is September the 26th, and I'm going to analyze 28 of Forex majors and minors plus 5 indices using PAFXSS Insider Technique. Okay, and when I find pairs that has all the confirmations of PAFXSS Insider Technique, I'm going to put a trade live on this video. Okay, this strategy has more than 90% winning rate, but the winning setup is hard to come by. Okay, you can check us out at PAFXSS.com, and don't forget to subscribe. All right. Okay. All right. First thing first, I'm going to load the God46 template. Okay. And this strategy only works on 4-hour time frame. Okay. Okay. This one, yeah, it doesn't meet the criteria, because for PAFXSS Insider Technique to work, it needs to have four confirmations. Okay, it doesn't have it. This is AUD/USD. Okay, I'm going to go to the next channel. This one is USD CAD. All right, this one, okay, yeah, it doesn't have the criteria of PAFXSS Insider Technique setups. Okay, and by the way, you can watch the full video strategy inside. The link is inside the description. Okay. Okay. All right, this one is no good. Okay, this one USD JPY, no. Well, USD JPY is close. Okay. All right, so this is the PAFXSS Insider Technique strategy. Okay, this is if you want to get the buy order. Okay, it has to have 4 confirmations. All right, which is the trend line over here. It's called the PA trend line. It has to cross over the bottom channel line, which is this one over here. Okay, it has to cross the bottom channel, and then the NT line, which is the blue line, it has to be below the middle channel line. Okay, which is the dotted yellow line over here, and then the 200 MA over here, it has to be underneath the middle channel line as well. Okay, and over here it has to say long or neutral. All right, this is the sentiment indicator. Okay, what we do with PAFXSS Insider Technique strategy, we go against everybody. Okay, because our strategy is we go with the market makers. Okay, we don't go against the traders out there. Okay, it says right here, it says 62% traders are selling USD JPY, and 38% people is buying USD JPY. Okay, we don't want to go with the majority, because we want to go with the market maker, because most traders are losing money, and we don't want to be on their side. Okay, we want to be on the market makers side. All right, but this one, I'm going to keep this one. All right, Euro USD, load the template, and for our time frame. Okay, this one, no. All right, because for the buy order, the 200 MA, it has to be underneath the middle line channel over here. It's called the channel indicator, the middle line channel. And then the 200, the NT line, which is the blue line over here, has to be below the middle line channel as well. So we're gonna close that one out. Okay, this one is GBP USD. Man, GBP is dropping like crazy since last week after the Queen's death, huh? This one is not good as well. All right, see, this is what we're looking for, like this. All right, this one is an example for a sell order. All right, for a sell order, we want the trend line, the PA trend line is crossing over the upper channel over here, the upper channel, and then the NT line is above the middle channel line over here. Okay, and then the 200 line is above the middle line channel. Okay, so this one is, see, once you see this, and over here it has to say short. Okay, it has to say short, and then, or at least neutral, and then we put a sell order. See what happened? Okay, like over here we don't even know the candles because we don't care. We just want to see the setup. All right, see, there's no candle, there's no price. All right, see the point. After we see a good setup, we switch back. Let's say we see a good setup over here. After we see a good setup, we switch to God bless template. Then we see the price and everything, right? We see the candles, and then we just put the order. Don't even hesitate, just put it in. See what happened? If the setups, if all the setups there, it dropped. You know what I mean? All right, next one is USD CHF. All right, USD CHF. All right, see, yeah, no, okay, this is a good example of a buy order. The trend line is crossing over the bottom channel line, and then the 200 MA is below the middle line channel, and then the NT line is below middle line channel as well. And if those confirm, we look to the bottom left. It has to say neutral or long for a buy order. Okay, once again, this one we want to go against everybody, because most of traders are losers. Yeah. All right, this one, okay. But if you want to see, the full video of our strategy, the link is inside the description. All right, let's open a few more channel. Okay, if I go do this by myself without making a video, it's only like take me like 5 minutes. So because what I do is just load the template in, put the right there, I know right away. Okay. All right, this one is I think this one is cat JPY. All right, this one is a good example. Okay, what happened to the music? 1 second. Okay, let me see. Okay, all right. Okay, this one here is a good example, but okay, as you can see, the trend line is crossed over the middle line channel. All right, and then the 200 MA is below the middle line channel. Okay, but the NT line is still above the middle line channel. Okay, so you want to wait until the NT line is crossing the middle line channel. At the same time, you have to see for the 200 MA, make sure it's still below the middle line channel. Okay, if the NT line cross down the middle line channel, and then the 200 MA is cross up the middle line channel, it's a no-go. We're not going to trade it. All right, so okay, all the confirmation has to be there. Okay, if we want to trade the best setup. All right, because we want to be disciplined. Okay, and after that we go look on the bottom. He has to say long or neutral. All right, only 4 confirmations for the PAFXSS Insider Technique. All right, so this one I think we're gonna keep this one, see what happens. All right, this one is this one is GBP CHF. All right, this one, no, it's a no-go. Look, see what happened. Look what happened. 79% people are buying on GBP CHF, and 21% people is selling. And you see it's dropping. 80% people are losing money. Okay, we're gonna put you see what I'm saying? It's dropping. Okay, it's dropping. All right, we're gonna close this. All right, this one is Euro JPY. Okay, beautiful. All right, Euro JPY. Yeah, the 200 MA is underneath the middle line channel, and then the PA moving average over here it stands for pivot action moving average. It's crossing over the bottom line channel. All right, but the thing is, the NT line is still above the middle line channel, so we want to wait until the NT line cross the middle line channel, then we enter. Okay, the PAFXSS Insider Technique is really solid. It has 90% winning rate, but the thing is, it's very hard to come by. Okay, with the Forex majors and minors, because we only trade that Forex majors, minors, plus 5 indices. All right, and some crypto too. Okay, with Forex majors and minors plus 5 from indices, probably we're going to trade with probably we're going to find the full confirmation setup like 2 or 3 pairs a week. All right, 2 pairs a week, but we're happy if we can find 2 pairs a week. That's all we need. We don't need to trade every day. Okay, all right, so this one we're just going to wait for the NT line to cross the middle line channel, so we're gonna keep that one. All right, this one is Euro CHF, and reloading the God46 indicator. Switch to 4 hour. All right, this one, yeah, this one is no good. All right, this one is Euro AUD, lot the template. All right, I think we're gonna keep this one. Okay, as soon as the PA moving average cross down the bottom line channel over here, and then the NT line is below the middle line channel, and over here it says long, we enter. All right, we put a trade in. Right. Okay, once again, folks, fellow traders, if you're watching this, do not forget to subscribe. Okay, and you can check our master Forexman course. Just go to PAFXSS.com. The link is inside the description. All right, this one is Euro GBP. Yeah, no, it's not good. All right. And a few more. All right, okay, one more. This one is Euro NCD. Yeah, there's still a long way to go. Okay, we're just going to close it. Okay, oh wow. This one, look at this one. This one is CHF JPY, franc JPY. Alright, the PA moving average is already crossing down the bottom line channel. Alright, and the 200 is obviously is underneath the middle line channel. All we need to wait is the anti line to cross down the middle line channel. When it does that, and over here it says neutral or long, we're entering, we put a trade. So we're going to keep this one. I think it's going to happen like tomorrow. This one over here, tomorrow. All right. Okay, see what happened over here? See, this one is AUD, excuse me, AUD JPY. The PA moving average is crossing down the bottom line channel, right? But the 200 MA is already crossing up the middle line channel, so this one is a no-go. You need the 200 MA needs to be below the middle line channel. All right. Okay, so this one is a no good. All right. Okay, this one is AU CHF. All right, how about this one? This one is HF. No, still long way to go. How about this one? This one is AU CAT. No, 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 no. This one is AU NZD. Okay, yeah, it's a no-go. See, with this strategy, you don't have to worry about the news because you're going with the market makers. A lot of people are losing money to GBP JPY. All right, but not us. We're making a lot of money with the GBP JPY. Look, this one is dropping. Okay, I'm gonna close this one. Yeah, it's a no-go. Okay, let's see what happened here. Why is stopping? Okay. All right, let's open a few more. All right. A few more. We only trade the best setups. We don't want to settle for less. Okay? And trust me, you don't need to trade every day. 2-3 times a week. 3 times a week is too much for me. 2 times, that's good. Okay. All right. This one is NCD CHF. All right. Okay. This one is no good. This one is NCD CAD. No good. All right. This one, yeah, it's a no go. See what I'm saying? Over here, we don't need to see the price until the setup is clearly there. Okay, we don't want to do it. Yeah, After the setup is there, all the confirmation is there, then we switch to another template. Yeah, you know, to avoid confusion. Yeah, look at that. Look at GBP NCD. He's shooting back. He's shooting up. Yeah. Close that one. This one is GBP CAD. See what I'm saying? Look at this one. I guess we missed this one. It happened today. Look, the PA moving average is crossing the upper line channel, okay, and then the NT line is above the middle line channel, and then the 200 moving average is above the middle line channel. And look to the left here, short. All right, short. Okay, and look, 82% people buying and 18% people selling. And you know, the 82% people, they are losing money, all right, because obviously GBP CAD is dropping like crazy. Let's put the look, it's dropping. This one is it just happened. Okay, it just happened. This is 4 hours, like 12 hours ago. But since yesterday, people are buying, and you see what happened? It dropped like, oh my god, look at, you see what I'm saying? 1,047 pips. It drops 1,047 pips. Is the institution, that's how the market makers making money, the institution. That's why we don't want to go against the market makers. They don't care about the you know, most of the traders, they have more money than those traders. Even 80% people are buying, they just drop the price. Okay, 1,000 pips since more than 1,000 pips. Only what, 24 hours, almost 48 hours ago. People that get it over here, these are the market makers too. Okay, you see how many stop losses here? A lot of stop losses here. Stop losses. Everybody got hit, and then boom. All right, when people when they got hit and they think it's going to drop, and they put a sell, and then what happened? Market makers is buying. They switch, so they got hit both ways, you know. But with the PAFXSS Insider Technique, you're not going to have this kind of problem, because we don't trade with the mass. We trade with the market makers. We don't trade with the majority. We go against everybody. That's how you make money in Forex, because most people are losing money. Yep. Okay. This one is GBP AUD. Yeah, no good. Alright. What's this one? This one is NCD USD. Yeah, no good. This one is NCD JPY. Yeah, no good. This one is CAT CHF. No good. This one is Euro CAD. All right, Euro CAD. Okay. Okay, I think I'm going to keep Euro CAD, but you know why? Because it's closer to the bottom line channel. I just need for the PA moving average to drop and cross over the bottom line channel, and then the middle line, I mean the anti line, cross the middle line channel, and over here it has to say long. Okay. Ooh. All right, we're gonna keep that one. Okay. All right, now we're gonna go to indices. All right, I mean, yeah, indices, and let's check out gold too, because we can trade PAFXSS Insider Technique with gold and indices. All right, US 30, yes. UK 100, yes. NAS 100, yes. JPN, yes. And then Australia 200. All right. And let me tell you folks, PAFXSS Insider Technique is legit. All right, is hitting the spot, as you can see. Look, see what happened? Okay, with the indices, the sentiment is not collecting data, but it's okay. Okay, and we can trade crypto too with this strategy. See, I don't need to see the candle, I don't need to see the price. All I want to see is the setups. Look, this one is a Australian 200. All right, the PA is crossing over the upper line channel, and then the anti line is crossing up the upper line channel as well, and then the 200 MA is above the middle line channel. All right, and then what happened when it happens? It drop. Okay, look, right, drop. Yep. All right, this one is JPN 225. All right, look at this. All right, but this one here, no. Yep. The full confirmation is hard to come by. 2 or 3 times a week, 2 times a week, you know. We only want to trade the best setup. We don't want to settle for less. Look, okay, this one, no. All right, NAS, no. UK, how about UK? Okay, no. This one, pop, pop, pop. Man, I like the soul. By the way, the song is royalty free from YouTube. Okay, this one is no good, no setup. And once again, folks, the full strategy video is inside the description. You can watch it there. All right, watch how the strategy works. All right, no. So today, even though we don't find anything, okay, but we find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 possible. All right, like in the future, maybe maybe tomorrow will happen. Okay, 6, yeah, probably some of them will form PAFXSS Insider Technique setups by tomorrow, or maybe in a couple days. We don't know. All right, but when it does, okay, See this one here, all I need to see is the PA moving average is crossing down the bottom line channel, and then the NT line is crossing down the middle line channel. All right, and over here it has to say long, then I enter. Okay, same thing. Look, this one here is pretty close. CHF JPY. Look, once the NT line cross the middle line channel, it's game over. Put the order in. All right. See, most of the time, I'd say 95% of the time, when all these confirmations met, over here the sentiment will say long. Okay, we will trade against everybody. We will trade against everybody 95% of the time. You see how powerful the strategy is? Okay, like I said, we don't want to trade with everybody. We want to trade against them. All right, that's how you win. Because if you trade against them, it means that you trade with the market makers. All right, because the market makers is taking the majority money from the traders. All right. Okay, this one, I don't like this one. The 200 MA is closing up the middle line channel. Okay, I said when this the NT line crossing down the middle line channel, the 200 MA will crossing up the middle line channel, so it's not good. Okay, but I have a big faith on this CHF JPY. When this one is crossing down, it's game over. All right, this is like the license to print money. All right, I like Euro JPY too. All right, and CHF JPY. I think those two are my my favorite. All right, see what happens. Okay, all right. See, we don't even want to see the price. We don't even want to see the candle. We just want to see the setup. That's it. Okay, because when you put the candles, you know, we start making assumptions. Oh, look at this, it's in the bottom, but the setup is not there yet. You know, we just see the candles, the price. We erase the price and the candles, so we don't want to see it, because we just want to see the setup. I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. By the way, my name is they call me Grandmaster Ray. I like to play chess. Okay, I live in Bali, Indonesia. All right. Okay, I think that's it. That's it, fellow traders. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, yeah. And hit the bell so you're not going to miss every time I do a live trading. Okay, once the setup is confirmed, maybe in one day, I will record it again and then upload it to upload the video to YouTube. All right. Okay, the Master Forexman course site is in the description. You can go to PAFXSS.com. Okay, all right.